A convex lens A of focal length 0.3 meters and a concave lens B of focal length 1.2 meters are placed in contact with each other. Calculate the effective power of the combination. This is the question. Let us do this question. We know that power of a lens P is reciprocal of the focal length in meters. Okay. So for lens A, focal length, lens A is a convex lens. Okay. And convex lens has got positive focal length. So plus 0.3 meters. It is already given in meters. You don't need to change it. If the question would have been in centimeters, then you should have changed it into meters, but we don't need to change it here. But this sign convention is very important. Why I have put plus here? Let us see. Let me make a convex lens. Okay, this is a convex lens, as you may be aware. It has got two focus. Yeah, foci. It has got two foci, F1 and F2. We know that a ray parallel to the principal axis after passing through the lens will pass through this focus like this, which means it has got a real focus. And the focus is in the same direction as the incident ray. Okay, incident ray is going towards the right, and we from the optical center we are moving towards the right to find the focal length here. Okay, this focal length. So which means that it will have a positive focal length. When to measure something in light, if we are moving towards in the same direction in which the incident ray is going, so the direction of incident ray is this. Okay, and for measuring focal length we are moving in this direction, so the direction is same, which means focal length will be positive in this case. All values in the same direction as the incident ray will be taken as positive. Understood this one? Why I have taken this to be positive? Let me call this as FA. Okay, now the power PA will be 1 upon 0.3, which will be 1 by 3 upon 10, which again will be 10 upon 3. So power of lens A is 10 upon 3. Let us hold it till here and let us move to lens B. Now for lens B, we are calculating for lens B. Okay, for lens B, FB, which is focal length. So for lens B is a concave lens and the value is given to be 1.2. For a concave lens, the focal length will be taken in negative. Why? Let me tell you. Let this be a concave lens. Let me draw the optical center here. We have got two foci, focus F1 and focus F2. When a parallel ray of light comes and is incident on a concave lens, it appears to pass through the first focus because it is a diverging lens. So it appears to pass through this. So this is a virtual focus. virtual focus. A concave lens. This is a concave lens. Concave lens has got a virtual focus. So to measure the focal length, I will have to move in the direction opposite. The focal length is measurement between the optical center and the, let me take another color for you to identify clearly. This is the focal length, the distance between the focus and the optical center. So I am moving in the opposite direction to the incident ray. The direction of incident ray is this, and my direction of measurement, because all measurements are taken from optical center. Here also I was taking the measurement from optical center, but in this case I was moving towards the right in the same direction as the incident ray. In this case, for measuring, I'm moving towards the left, which is opposite to incident ray. The direction of incident ray is this, and I'm moving in this direction. So the focal length will be taken in negative. So focal length will be minus 1.2. Understood? Minus 1.2 meters. Applying this formula, PB will be equal to 1 upon minus 1.2, which will be minus 1 upon 12 upon 10, which will be minus 10 upon 12. ये 10 कैसे आया? डेसिमल हटाकर 10 आ गया हमारा. Got it? This one. So PB will be minus 10 upon 12. Now combination. So now the effective power of combination. Effective power of combination is going to be P is equal to PA plus PB. So P is equal to your, or we can write it as PC. PC means power of combination. PA is 10 upon 3 and PB is minus 10 upon 12. Calculate and tell me what will be the answer.
So
40 minus
10. 30 upon 12.
So PC will be equal to 30 upon 12.
2.5.
So PC will be equal to 2.5.
5.
0.5 diopters.
Sometimes it is written as only D also. Okay. So this is our answer. This is how it needs to be calculated.